Hey guys, it's me, Christina Marie. I am doing an exciting review for you guys. I'm doing the Urban Decay Liquid Moondust. This is a liquid eyeshadow. Just look at this. Okay, so I am on the hunt for a pink liquid eyeshadow. I will be comparing this in this video with, and that is not the color that I am wearing on my eyes. I will be comparing this with the Stila liquid. Look at this. Look at the color. With the Stila liquid eyes as well. So this is obviously the Urban Decay and this is the Stila. Now, let me just tell you guys, the Stilas are the best on the market in my opinion, but does this compete? You guys are gonna have to find out in this video, and you tell me your thoughts at the very end of the video. But before we get to that zoomed in very close video to my eye, one eye will have that, one eye will have this. Please hit that thumbs up button, the little subscribe button, and the tiny little bell next to it. Let's go ahead and get to that video. Okay guys, so let's go ahead and pop this on the eye, open it up. It is a little tiny brush, I guess. So let's just go ahead and just see what it looks like on the eye. Go ahead and do a second coat. Bring it up a little bit higher. It's almost like making my eye look like it's hooded. So with one coat, look at this. So it's accentuating the lines and the creases in my eyes. You guys can see this crease right here on my actual eyelid. Look how that looks funny. It's like crease, crease, crease. And over here, it's kind of funny because look at this. So I did not touch it right here at the base of my lashes, right? And I touched it here at the base. And it's almost like it's pulled my skin forward instead of my lashes being like firm where you can see them. It's almost like my skin has gone droopy over my lashes. I'm gonna go in with the Stila color here in Grace. We're gonna see if it does that as well. You guys can see how I do have the line right there, but it's not as accentuated as much. Okay guys, so what did you think? I think that I absolutely love this like pink color. It's like a pink rose color, but I cannot deal with that creasing of the eyes. I think it's like looking at your grandma almost when a liquid shadow does that. Look, this is the Stila and you don't see any of that problem on my eyes. Let me zoom you guys closer. So this is the Stila. You see how my eye folds normally right there? Like, I don't have any problem. No creases, no extra lines. Everything looks great. So I am going to have to give this Urban Decay a thumbs down. Maybe it would be fabulous as an eyeliner, but I specifically bought it to test it as an eyeshadow. I just want to say that the Stila, even though they are a little bit pricier, are the best on the market. This is fantastic. One swipe, it goes on. This, unfortunately, does that to my eyes. It makes them crease. It makes them look old. So I would actually say avoid this. Don't get it, even though you will be tempted. Like obviously I was tempted. I am going to return this to Sephora because they have a fantastic return policy because this just did not work for me. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Hit that little subscribe button and the tiny little bell next to it. I'm Christina Marie. I'm out. Bye.